Hello students, welcome to the channel. Now in this video we are going to start ellipse. What is an ellipse? Ellipse is a set of all points in a plane whose distance, sum of whose distance from two fixed points in the same plane is always constant. Like if I draw an ellipse, there will be two fixed points, and if I take any point on the ellipse like P1, the two fixed point I am naming S1 and S2. Now I can say this P I am naming. So I can say S1P plus S2P is equal to constant. Likewise, if I take any other point, suppose Q, then I can say that is equal to S1Q plus S2Q. Likewise, if I take the third point R, I can say is equal to S1R plus S2R. Right? So this is what the definition of ellipse we can say. In ellipse, we have two fixed points, and if I take any point on the ellipse like P, Q or R, then S1P plus S2P is equal to S1Q plus S2Q is equal to S1R plus S2R. That is fixed, that is constant. And later on we will be discussing what is the value of this constant. Right? Now in the ellipse, the two fixed points are called focus. Right? Okay. Like in parabola, we have four standard equation. In ellipse, we have only one equation, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. The derivation of this equation, I will be preparing a separate video. You can watch it how we form this equation by the definition of conic section. Right? Now in ellipse, we have two cases. One is we'll have the values of a and b. When a is greater than b, we'll get an horizontal ellipse, and when a is less than b, we'll get a vertical ellipse. Now the main terminology I am discussing here, as I have already told, the two fixed points, these fixed points are called focus. Here also, this is what? Focus. Midpoint of focus is called center. The midpoint of focus is center. In this standard case, the center is origin. Now the line joining center to the focus will intersect the ellipse at the points that is called vertices. I am naming B1 and B2. Here also, focus to the center, the line joining is what? Intersected vertices B1 and B2, vertex of the parabola. Vertex of the ellipse. Now we'll have two lines. These two lines are called directrix. Right? This is what? Directrix. Here directrix is this. Right? This is what? Directrix. Right? So this is what the main thing: focus, vertices, then center, directrix. Right? Axis. When I talk about axis of parabola, we have two axes. One is major axis and one is minor axis. The line joining two focuses is consists major axis, means we can say this is what? Major axis. Right? Major axis. And minor axis will be, this is what? Minor axis. So in the first case, major axis is x-axis, minor axis is y-axis, and the length of major axis is between the two vertices B1 and B2, and the length of minor axis is between these two. Likewise here, the major axis will be this. This is what? Major axis. And this is what? Minor axis. right? So every time when we'll be solving the questions of ellipse, we'll be having two conditions, whether A is greater than B or A is less than B. Now later in the next part, means in the continuation, I will be writing the formula for all the things, right? We'll be remembering the formula and we'll be starting the question. I have told there can be a question in mind, sir, how you are finding the coordinates, how you have formed the equation. I have told that separate video will be for explanation of forming the equation of ellipse. Derivation will be discussed. Okay. Now, as we have already discussed, derivation is for understanding the concept. But if you remember the formulas, this formula table, if you remember, you can always solve any question of ellipse. Now we are writing the formula table, right? We have 10 terms that we are going to discuss for the ellipse. As I have already drawn the diagram for A greater than B and A less than B. This is what the horizontal parabola and this is what the vertical parabola. Now the first thing is coordinates of center. In both the cases, the coordinates of center is 0, 0. Coordinate of vertices for the first A greater than B plus minus A, 0. Two vertices A0 minus A0, and here on the y-axis 0, plus minus B. The coordinates of focus will be plus minus A, 0, and this is 0, plus minus B. To find foci, we have to calculate eccentricity. We will be discussing formula for eccentricity also. The length of major axis is on x-axis, this is 2a, and minor axis is 2b. Here just reverse. The major axis is 2b and minor axis is 2a. Equation of directrix in the first case, x equal to plus minus a by e, y equal to plus minus b by e in the second case when a is less than b. Now eccentricity, देखो eccentricity के लिए how I remember, I always write 1 minus e square on the right hand side. Now two squares, a square and b square. Out of these two square, which value is lesser? Here a is greater than b, so obviously b is less. So I remember this, the whatever be the value that is lesser on the left hand side. Like here lesser value is a square on the left hand side, b square on the right hand side. You can remember it by any way. Length of lateral septum 2b square upon a, here 2a square upon b. Equation of major axis. In the horizontal parabola, here major axis is x-axis. You can say this is x-axis, this is y-axis, right? And equation of major axis in the second case, y-axis, and minor axis is x-axis. Now when we talk about equation of x-axis, y equal to 0, equation of y-axis, x equal to 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So these terms are very important for all the formulas. Just compare the formula. Whatever we have here is on x-axis, x coordinate, y coordinate is 0, and here on the y coordinate. X coordinate we are having a and y coordinate we are having b, right? You have to remember these formulas. Now we'll be starting questions in the next video. I hope this video is clear. This video is mainly I prepared to tell you what is an ellipse, and in ellipse what is foci, what is lateral septum, what is vertices, as the terminology is same like we have discussed in ellipse, right? Whatever focus is the fixed point, directrix is the fixed line, lateral septum is the line perpendicular to axis and passing through a focus. Everything is same, but the formulas are different according to the equation. Thank you so much for watching the video.